Hey guys, and welcome to the Cleanish challenge, where I help you get rid of the chaos in your home in only 30 days. My name is Siobhan, and I'm a professional organizer and home stager here in Atlanta, Georgia. On Monday, March 1st, we begin the first day of our 30-day Cleanish challenge. If you have not yet signed up for our 30-day Cleanish challenge, make sure to go sign up on my website, restyleliving.com, or click the link in the bio where you will be able to sign up. And as soon as you sign up, you'll immediately get our 30-day Cleanish guide, which includes the 30-day checklist, my daily chore list, in which I use daily to keep my house clean and organized, as well as my top 10 favorite organizing items that I use for my client space and even for my home as well. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram, as I will be going daily with you along this process and getting this house clean. And also use hashtag Cleanish challenge if you have any questions during the challenge, or just to show me your progress photos of your space. I can't wait to connect with you there. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. During the Cleanish challenge, every Monday we will be launching videos of me organizing and designing my cousin's home during the Cleanish challenge, and you'll see the behind the scenes of the space, the before and afters of what it looks like, and how I transformed this space during the Cleanish challenge. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel, because at the end of the Cleanish challenge, we will be doing a giveaway where I will be giving away one free organizing service. So if you would like to get one-on-one organizing with me, please make sure to sign up and subscribe, guys. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.